What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For this week's video, I'm just going to show you guys the process of me cleaning and upgrading my friend's computer. From this to this. Enjoy the time lapse.
Hey Mr. Bully, won't you just see right through me? On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness or my soul. Hey Mr. Bully, what'd you think when you pushed me out of my own head where everything made sense? Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on to your lies. Where do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on. Say it's over when nothing's closer to what you're afraid for. Close the chapter where I'm ripping out my pages. Stop the fire under my skin, or light the blaze again that stood alive for ages. Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on to your lies. Where do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on. I'll carry on. I'll carry on. I'll carry on.
So basically, I swapped out her really cheap B550 for a really decent B450, and I swapped the really shitty Cooler Master case to a H510 NZXT. and I swap her white LED fans with ARGB fans, and I think the result is pretty great. Now with that being said, if you like this week's video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so I can continue doing this. And don't worry, next week's video is gonna be about a PC build.